Can't chat with people on Messenger because the app is not opening on your computer? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Messenger not opening issue on your computer. So, let's dive into the solutions without wasting any time. Solution 1. Repair and reset Messenger. To do this, first, open Settings. Then click on Apps from the left side menu. After that, click on Installed Apps. Now, find the Messenger app and click the three-dot icon next to it. Next, click on Advanced Options. Now, scroll down a little and click the Repair button. Once that's done, click the Reset button. Then, click on Reset from here. After that, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Use Compatibility Mode. To do this, right-click on the Messenger shortcut from your desktop. Then switch to the Compatibility tab. Now take the Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Now hit Apply and then OK. And now the issue should be gone. If not, a reinstall should do the trick. So guys, that's how you fix the Messenger not opening issue on your PC. If the video helps you solve the issue, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching.